Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of lighting cave effect with using Octane Render. So firstly guys, I am going to take a plane, this one, and I increase plane size. Guys, size I take 2000 centimeter and height same 2000. Right? Okay. So now guys, I go to Octane and use live viewer window. Yes, guys, select this window, drag and drop on left side, yeah, and click on render. Yeah, okay, size, guys, I take change size I take 1000 and same 1000. Yes, yeah, that's my size, right? Okay, so now guys, I create flow material. So I go to create and use Octane material and open this material. Yeah, guys, go to click on here, node editor. Guys, I have some material. Actually, that's my texture. See guys, that's my texture, right? So select both texture, drag and drop in node editor. Yeah, that's my normal map and that's my displacement map. So connect with here and this texture. Guys, select this displacement, yeah, and increase size like this and connect with displacement map, right? So guys, select this input and level of detail I take full and amount I take 30. Yeah, right? Okay, so next step guys, I change color. So I take fall off. So go on here. So guys, go on here, fall off and select drag and drop on here. Yes, guys, that's my fall off map, right? So connect with diffuse, yes, and select, guys, maximum volume, little bit decrease like 0.85, yeah, and fall off sketch factor, guys, take 6.5. Yes, see guys, that's my material. I like this one. So close and guys, apply this material on plane. Yeah, it's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, I take one more time plane. Yes, and same guys, size same 2000 and 2000. Yeah, and now guys, I create reflection effect. So material type I use specular. This time I take specular and fake shadow check. Yes, and go to index. Index guys, increase like this randomly. Yeah, and guys, apply on plane. Yes, and guys, select this plane and little bit up like this. Yeah, see guys, that's my effect. And now guys, I change UV. So select this plane one and UV little bit smaller like this. Yeah, I like this one, right? Okay, so now guys, next step I take this time landscape. Yeah, landscape, and guys, size I take like 1000 and increase height like 500 and 1000. Yeah, that's my shape. And now guys, I create band effect. So use band tool, this turn band, and select this band and make child with landscape. Yeah, so guys, select this band and fit to parent check. Yeah, and strength change like this. Yeah, like 100. I like this one. So guys, go to on top, select this landscape and go on here like this. Yes, and guys, now copy this shape, go to right side and rotate. Actually, you can change strength like -100. Yes, better. And little bit change guys position like this and select this first one. Guys, rotate this shape, rotate, simple like this, and again rotate. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select and position change. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, so now guys, select this landscape, this one, and again copy. That's my third one. Yes, and rotate. Yes, better. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, select and little bit up. Yes. So guys, now I apply same material on landscape like this, and this one and this one. See guys, that's really good. That's my beautiful composition, right? Okay, so now guys, I take light, so use area light. Actually guys, I take torus. Yeah, torus, and position change and increase ring radius like this, and guys, pipe radius increase. Yes, so guys, go to back, and yeah, and up. Yes, right. Okay, so little bit more back. Yeah, see guys, that's my composition, right? And now guys, I take camera and camera check. Guys, all rotation 0 and 0. Yeah, and position also change. I like 180. Yes, and size. Guys, that's my composition. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful composition. And save this project, guys. That's most important file, like final. Yeah, okay, so now guys, composition is good. I create texture for this torus, so open and note editor, guys, same. And this time I have some texture. That's my JS placement texture. Guys, you can download this all texture from my website. It's free. So select this texture, drag and drop. Yeah, guys, that's my JS placement. So displacement, connect with input. At this input, connect with displacement map. Yeah, and guys, same level of detail full, and amount take 20 centimeter. Yes. And now guys, for lighting I use black body emission, and select connect with texture, and this black body emission connect with emission. Yeah, and surface brightness check. Yeah, and guys, now I change this temperature like this. Yeah, I like this one. And yes, color I like black, actually dark gray. Yeah, right. So guys, apply material on torus. Yes, and guys, now I change UV. So select this material, guys, UV change. Yes, better. And guys, little bit more. Yeah, I like this one. So go to camera. Yes, UV is really good. Guys, change like 20 and 100. This is also better, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply simple area light, this one, and increase size. Guys, surface brightness check and double sided check, and go to back like this. Yes, right, that's really good. Okay, so now guys, you can change also light color. So go to here and texture, guys use RGB spectrum, and guys color I take like orange. I like orange color. Yeah. And power, guys, power I take like 30. Yeah, power 30. And guys, light height increase. Yes, that's really good. Okay, so now guys, the next step, I apply 3D character model and go to merge file and merge. Guys, see, that's my 3D character model. Yes, yeah, and go to back like this. Guys, camera uncheck, and guys increase position up, select, and like this. Yeah, better. See guys, that's my position. Little bit down. Yeah, right. Okay, so go to camera. Yeah, position is good, right? Okay, so now guys, I take HDRI environment, and this environment take black color. Yes, see guys, that's really good. Okay, so last one, guys, my composition is finished. Go to camera and post processing check, and bloom power I take like 15. Yes, see guys, that's really beautiful render. And guys, go to camera imager, check, and saturation to white 0.2. Yes, and exposure 0.9. Yeah, and gamma 0.95. Actually, yeah, 1 is good. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful composition, right? It's okay. So guys, go to render setting, max amp I take like, guys, you can take like 2000, and specular increase 1 and 1. Yeah, so close. Guys, my final render, that's my final render. It's really good. And now stop this rendering, go to render setting and use Octane render, and all use GPU check. Yeah, and render. See guys, that's my beautiful render, right? So after render, save this image. So guys, that's it. My final composition is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.